Today, I've got a slow leaking tire. We're gonna find out why it's slowly leaking, or at least try to find out without using a huge tub of water to find bubbles. This thing leaks so slow that over about a week it loses maybe 15 pounds, but it's still annoying. So we're gonna try to fix it. I've already checked for nails and such. I bought this kit at Walmart for like, I think $4, maybe $6. We're gonna use these right here. These are called valve stems. And we're just gonna replace the one that's in there, and it's pretty simple. Watch as I do this. Get a jack, jack up the car. Just do it high enough to get the weight off the tire. Bada bing. Open your kit. Luckily I did this off camera because, dude, they really had that packaging on there good. This is your tool, your valve stem tool. This is the only side we're gonna need. If you buy things like sludge or something like that, on the end, on the cap of it, it'll actually have this piece because they're not in there super tight. But that's how it'll go on. What happens is the seal usually just gets, bad. So we're gonna remove the cap and then the stem. Okay, we took the cap off, and we're gonna take the stem off. Don't do this until you've got some air to replace, because once you pull this valve core out, it's gonna leak air everywhere. So have your air compressor charged. I'm trying to do this quickly because you might be able to get away with it. These things shoot out too. You got to think they're under pounds of pressure, whether there's weight on the tire or not. Oh, she's gonna shoot me in the face. Always wear safety glasses. Oh, there she goes. Replace it with your new one. Push it on there in the right tabs. Go backwards a couple times. Make sure you get it threads in correctly. Don't fight it. Give a couple more tightens to grow on. Beautiful. All right, we'll look at this one. That's weird. That one looks completely fine. I think. Only time will tell. There is a whole other setup on the inside. It's hard to show you. When you push this button with the air thing, it pushes the top out. I doubt you're seeing this, but it pushes the bottom. There's also stuff going on in there, so we'll see if it works. I'm throwing it away though, regardless. And we'll air it up and see. Yeah, she's not even registering now. All right, we'll see what happens. Be right back. I guess while we're waiting for the air to charge up, I can show you where the lift point is for this jack on this side. Okay, a lot of people make a mistake and they put it on the trim. The user manuals of these cars usually don't go into great detail as to where you should hook up at. Right there's ultimately the best spot, right here. Not there, not anywhere on the trim. That is the strongest points of the car, especially designed for lifting. Also, as I was saying, you can put the whole wheel and tire assembly in like a tub of water and wait just a few for all the bubbles to settle and then see where it's still bubbling at. That's the quickest way, but who's got a tub of water when it's 20 degrees? And who's got a tub big enough to put that much water in? You ever get a chance to get one of these? Do it. They're time savers, man. Shows you how much is in your tire. About 5 pounds. And then they'll tell you how much you put in. It's always best to do it with the car jacked up. Takes all the weight off the tire so it can take more air quicker, instead of fighting the weight of the car to push air in. We're at 20. I got this tiny air compressor, it's not worth it. I bought this, I think, 20 bucks at Walmart. I had to buy the actual thing here too. I don't know why they don't just sell it with it on there. It was only $4. We're almost at 30. a second to charge. $34. I'll come out here and check it next week. You can also go around and check all the tires the same way. Just plug it in, it'll tell you the air pressure on each one. You want to keep it around, for these size, they want around 32, 33. And it's wintertime, so the cold air zaps the air. So you always want to just go around and keep them at a certain, if not, they'll start wearing odd and cracking the sides. Try it on. There you go. We'll find out if it works, but I'm sure it won't. 3 weeks later, still holding.